Essential oils. Do they really work? Essential oils have been getting quite popular in recent years, but they have actually been around for thousands of years. In the past, people used essential oils for many reasons, from spiritual purposes to medication. Essential oils have a wide range of uses, and here is a little bit of information about the oils that have come to be known as nature's pharmacy. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. What are they? Essential oils are natural oils that are extracted from a plant or other source, and which retain the scent of the plant they come from. They are generally distilled. Essential oils are used for a wide variety of purposes, from diffusing them for their fragrance, to applying and inhaling them in order to receive health benefits. People have given anecdotal evidence of health problems that have been solved through the use of essential oils, from healing skin problems to reducing seasonal allergies and deterring insects. For many ailments, there are one or more oils that can help deal with the issue. There has been much anecdotal evidence of their benefits, as well as testing that shows them to be an effective way to deal with a myriad of issues. How do you apply them? Essential oils are administered in 3 different ways. First, a person can inhale them aromatically. This can be done by using a diffuser and putting several drops of the particular essential oil into water, or just sniffing the oil directly from the bottle. The second way is to apply them topically. There are a few essential oils that can be applied directly to the skin, but a general rule if you are unsure is to first put a few drops into a carrier oil before applying. This can be anything from olive oil to coconut oil, also as any other natural, pure carrier oil you've got around the house. The third way to use oils is by ingesting them. Not all oils can be ingested, and one must be careful to take them in a way that is safe. If you are ingesting an oil, or even applying it topically, you must be sure to find essential oils that are pure and organic when possible. Because they are highly concentrated, a little goes a long way and they should be used sparingly. What do people use them for? Essential oils are used for a variety of purposes, from maintenance of general health and well-being, to first aid and adding natural scent to homemade body products. You can use essential oils in the diffuser to help you to sleep or stay alert. You can use them to help calm frazzled nerves, and to give your immune system a boost when needed. The oils are useful when added to everything from DIY cleaning supplies to DIY skin products. They can be carried in your purse in order to help sanitize surfaces when out and about, and can help clean cuts and used in other minor accidents. You can use essential oils as bug repellent and to help heal sunburned skin. There is no end to the ways they can be used, alone, in combination, and when added to other bases. Essential oils are beneficial to add to your cabinet. They have many uses for a variety of purposes, and can help you out in a pinch. Start with a few, and add more as you become familiar with using them on a daily basis. 20 essential oils and what they're used for. Essential oils are great to have on hand. They can be used for a variety of purposes. Here is a list of the ones you will want to have around, and what they can be used for. 1. Lavender oil is one among the foremost popular essential oils. It can be used to help you sleep better, and give you fast relief when you have a sunburn. 2. Tea tree oil is great to have on hand for adding to vinegar and using the mixture to clean your home. It is antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic and antibiotic. 3. Chamomile oil is great for relaxation. Roman chamomile is more gentle than German chamomile, so it are often used for young babies, and is usually employed in homemade diaper spray solutions to soothe diaper dermatitis. 4. Eucalyptus oil helps support respiratory health. Those suffering from asthma, bronchitis and even the common cold can benefit from diffusing this or applying it topically in diluted form. 5. Lemon oil is a great antibacterial and antifungal oil. If you are coming down with a cold, rub it in the palms of your hands and inhale. You can even add several drops to your load of laundry to assist disinfect it. 6. Frankincense oil is great for the skin, and often used in homemade facial creams. It can be applied topically to swollen areas and used as an anti-inflammatory. 7. Peppermint oil can soothe sore muscles and relieve bad breath. It can also be sprinkled around the doors in your home to deter ants from entering. 8. Clove oil has antiseptic properties and can be used to relieve tooth pain while you are waiting for an emergency dentist appointment. 9. Grapefruit oil is a detoxifier and can be diluted and applied to cellulite-laden areas of the body to help release toxins from fat cells. 10. Ginger oil helps relieve nausea. It can also be diluted and applied to painful areas in order to experience relief. 11. Lang Lang oil has a beautiful smell and is often used as a natural perfume. It also benefits relaxation and healthy skin. 12. Cedarwood oil can be used to clarify the skin and as a repellent for ticks, flies and gnats. 13. Citronella oil is a well-known mosquito repellent but can also treat fevers and headaches. 14. Lemongrass oil is a common insect repellent and can also help with digestive issues. 15. Geranium oil is great for the skin and also helps balance hormones. 16. Orange oil helps circulation and can also be used when cleaning your home, as it is not harsh and damaging to surfaces. 17. Lime oil is beneficial to diffuse when you need to stay alert. It are often added to shampoo to stop scalp issues like lice. 18. Rosemary oil has become the go-to oil for hair growth by adding it to a carrier oil and applying it to the scalp. 19. Myrrh oil is great for skin health and also fights and protects against parasites when ingested. 20. Thyme oil is used for respiratory health and is antibacterial, which makes it great for use when fighting illness or cleaning the kitchen. How to apply essential oils. Throughout time, essential oils have been used for a myriad of reasons. There are three main ways to use them, which is by applying them topically, inhaling them aromatically and ingesting them internally. Here is a little more information about the ways you can use your essential oils. Topical application. One way to apply essential oils is topically. Some essential oils are often applied undiluted, but most should be mixed into a carrier oil first. Suitable carrier oils include, but are not limited to, almond, apricot, coconut, and olive oil. The amount of drops compared to the quantity of carrier oil will depend on the actual use you've got in mind. Simply mix the correct amount of carrier oil with the amount of essential oil drops you want, and then apply however much you would like to use. Essential oils can be applied to various parts of the body. The bottom of the feet are a common place to rub the mixture onto because the skin is not as sensitive. Feet have large pores which allow for quick absorption, there are no sebaceous glands to slow absorption, and reflexology states that every nerve line ends in the feet. You can also apply essential oils to whichever area of your body is in need of treatment. For example, lavender and Lang Lang oils can be applied to the abdomen to relieve menstrual cramps. Peppermint oil may be applied to the temples, crown of the head and behind the ears to help relieve headaches. Aromatically. A common way to use essential oils is aromatically. There are several ways to do this. You can open the lid and smell the essential oils directly from the bottle, or put a few drops of the desired oil on the palm of your hands and then rub together and inhale. You may also diffuse your essential oils in a special diffuser. If you use one that does not heat the oils, it will not damage the oils. This ensures that they will retain their maximum benefit. Another way to use the essential oils aromatically is by filling a bowl with hot water, adding several drops of your desired oil, then covering your head with a towel and inhaling the steam. This is a common way to use eucalyptus oil when fighting a cold. Ingestion. Not all oils can be ingested, so use caution when it comes to this way of administering them. If the brand and type of essential oil you are using does not specifically say that it can be ingested, then do not do so. For those oils which can be ingested safely, you can simply add a few drops to water and drink. You can also put the essential oils drops into capsules and consume like a vitamin or pill. You can even mix the essential oils into honey before eating. These are the three main ways to use and apply essential oils. All oils have specific rules about how they should and should not be used. Check out the guidelines on your type and brand of oil, and be sure to follow them when using the oils. These different methods of application will give you a variety of ways to bring the health and healing of essential oils into your everyday life. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Enjoy your journey.